If you are not legally married but have a long-term partner, having an estate plan is vital. Hi, my name is Alec Osland, and I'm an attorney at the Yanowitz Law Firm, where we've been helping Minnesota families with wills, trusts, and probate for over 3 decades. Having an estate plan is important, and everyone should have one. However, if you are not legally married to someone they are considered a long-term partner to you, it is an absolute necessity that you have an estate plan. Minnesota does not have common law marriage. It's pretty black and white whether you're married or not. And what that means in estate planning is huge. In Minnesota, you can disinherit whoever you want to, besides two groups of people: spouses and minor children. Now, you can attempt to disinherit a spouse, but that spouse does have rights to claim an elective share against your estate. They can potentially, depending on how long you've been married, make a claim for up to 50% of your augmented estate, provided, however, that you did not sign a prenuptial agreement. Having an estate plan, it allows you to pick where your assets are going to go once you passed away, as it allows you to really be in control. If you do not have an estate plan, the assets would fall to your estate and they are distributed via the Minnesota laws of intestacy. These laws of intestacy are from a state statute, and that statute states that if there are no children of the deceased, if all of the living children of the deceased are also descendants of the surviving spouse, then that surviving spouse is going to inherit the entire estate. However, if there are living children of the deceased individual and they are not descendants of the surviving spouse, that surviving spouse is going to get the first $225,000 of the probate assets, with the remainder of the assets being split 50-50 to the surviving spouse and then the children. What does that mean for someone who is not a spouse? You get nothing. So if you do not have an estate plan and you plan on leaving anything to a partner, it is very important that you meet with a estate planning attorney and you have a plan that protects your wishes and leaves assets to who you want the assets to go to. I'd like to thank you for watching the video today. I hope you found it interesting and you learned something, and hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.